Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Trader Dara, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5. So simply go on your Play Store or App Store and download the app. Once you've done that, tap on it, and on a new account you would see something like settings and add new account, right? So just tap on new account. Then let's say you want to add the broker Xness, you just search it, puts it in the search bar, and you will see the options. So just impute the broker and put your logins and your password and tap done once you're done with that. So if you come back to your quotes, right, if there is a pair you want to trade and it's not available, let's just say something like euro JPY, right? Just search for it and add it and it will come. Yeah, if you want to reorder how things are, yeah, just tap on this bottom left, tap on edit, and you can simply bring euro JPY to the top, right? Let's say you trade it more often, and you can bring that to the top. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Bring it to the top, and that is done. And you can simply see euro JPY is next to euro USD. And there are two modes. There is the compact mode and there is the explore mode where you can see the spreads and everything. So I'm also leave mine this way, and you can remove, in case you don't want to see the day percent, you can just like remove that and it will just look a little bit cleaner. Right here is the chart, right, where you can do a little bit of analysis. All I mostly do here, I use TradingView for my analysis. I just place my SLTP. Let's say I wanted to sell at this level. There are two options. If you want to take a trade, you can do it one of these ways. You can just slide here, tap on plus, and place your levels. In case you want to use the buy limit or market execution, you can just do that. And you have your buy limit, sell limits, you can place that from there. Or when you come on the chart, right, just tap on charts, and from the charts you have these two options, right? So one of them is you can use this to place limits, right? So let's say you want to use limits, you use this option. So if you take it to the level you want, that is, if it's above price, it will be a sell limit. If it's below price, it will be a buy limit. So just take note of that. For your SL, just tap on this button down here, take it above your highs, right? Make sure you keep your SL where it should be, and then your take profits for a sell trade will be down below. So something of this nature could be your trade. Now once you've done this, if you want to take the trade, you can just, let's say, let me place it just for the sake of this video, and this is it, guys. Just this, very simple, and you see your trade has been placed. So your limit has been placed, right? I will just delete that. Now if you want to take an instant trade, use this last button, right, and you can just take a trade instantly on the spot. I won't be using that, so let me clear it off. While here's your trade, let's say the trade is ongoing, you can see it from here. Here's your history, you can get to see your trade history, and that is basically everything you need to do on MetaTrader 5, guys. Have a wonderful trading week. Make sure you subscribe, put on notifications, and if you want to learn how to trade, reach out to me. My team will guide you to becoming a profitable and consistent forex trader.